Late last week, for some reason, BMW CCA sent me a package. I had no clue what was in the package, obviously, until I opened it. So I had no idea. But what it is a key piece of recognition for what's been done with our chapter over the last couple, 3 years. Recognizing all the time and effort that Stan has put into it. So let me give you this, and I want to read the nomination form. Woohoo! I want to read you this nomination form from Ken Culatta out of Sarasota. And keep in mind, he's using the words right, but they're going to seem strange. Stan is a very active and outgoing and effective chapter head. His remit is geographically broad, and he tries to cover it in person by organizing, attending, and cheerleading at events. He is a good planner and often films for member distribution his itinerary for the coming month's season. He sometimes combines events like the Cars and Coffee with interesting vendor field trips. In Sarasota, it was a trip to a local ceramic coating outfit for a tour and education on the process. He actively engages and tries to get us involved in chapter events like regional drives and the aquarium dinner in Tampa. He helps organize a number of chapter events like drive-ons and track sessions, and endeavors to spread both news of upcoming events and good stories about members and their cars via videos and other social media. In fact, he makes good use of social media as anybody I've worked with in this space. So anyway, Stan,
thank you, baby. Appreciate that. Thank you. It's
I have no idea.
Well, I totally didn't expect that. So, but thank you. It's a passion. It's not a job for me. It's a passion. Kim asks me a lot of times, "What are you going to do when you retire?" I go, "I'm already doing it." So I'm just practicing now. I'll get better later. It doesn't work if you guys don't show up. So it's just having the opportunity to come out and meet you folks and create relationships. What do we say? The cars bring us together. The relationships keep us together. It's all about the relationships, right? Yeah. So I'll give you a couple updates. Last weekend, if you saw the video last week, last weekend was a huge weekend. This weekend is just as big, with events going on today here, events going on in Ocala. We have a gathering, meeting, and a tech session going on in Ocala. We've got another one going on in Jacksonville. We have another one going on in Panama City this coming Tuesday. What else is going on? There's Jacksonville, Panama City, Ocala, Gainesville, and we have another one going on in Gainesville. Wow.
Yeah.
I'd lick the door handles on that one. So it's every week it's just this is really, it may have my name on it, but it's got your name on it because that's you guys make it happen. So I appreciate it. Thanks for being here.
And just so everybody knows, Carol's going to put this up on the website so the whole chapter can see and recognize what you've done over the years.
Well, I appreciate that. It's a pretty cool thing today, and fortunately to have Frank and Ashley and Ken out and 85. It's pretty cool. We want to get some pictures.
Oh yeah, anything you guys do
with the car. It's good. We appreciate all you guys do, ladies and gentlemen. All you do. It's pretty. You keep us safe. That's the cool thing. So we appreciate that. Thank you, guys.
Anyway.
That's not me. That's him. That's not me.